Well, once again, good evening, or good morning, I should say, East Alabama and West Georgia, coming up on 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern. Just got a brand new updated severe outlook from the National Weather Service, and I want to share that with you this morning. This is a brand new graphic just released, and they are now saying pretty much what I have been saying for the last couple of hours, and that is the best chance for severe weather is going to be along and south of the I-85 corridor, and I think even further south than that, to be quite honest with you. It looks like places like Andalusia, Troy, Eufaula, Dothan, Enterprise, maybe back over toward Monroeville, and then, of course, our Gulf Coast regions and northwest Florida stand the best chance of seeing severe weather this morning. But this is a brand new graphic just issued, and you can see there that they have on a line from about Demopolis over to Montgomery and Auburn south is where the best chance for severe weather would be. North of that line, they're now saying virtually no chance of severe weather. Now, that doesn't mean that there can't be a rogue heavy thunderstorm from time to time. Certainly there could be. And so you could see some gusty winds at your house if you're in East Alabama or West Georgia this morning. You're certainly going to see very heavy rainfall from time to time. And there are some thunderstorms that are still producing thunder and lightning out there as well. So it's going to be a stormy morning across Randolph County, across Heard, Troup, Chambers, Tallapoosa, Clay, Talladega, down into Coosa, Lee County. It's going to be stormy, no question, but it just looks like the best dynamics for severe weather will be south of that I-85 corridor. You folks down there in Columbus, Phoenix City, you want to pay attention to what's going on with the weather, but honestly, I think it's even going to be further south than that if we see any severe weather at all. I think it will develop along this line that you see coming in over here in southwest Alabama, just to the west of Selma, stretching down to around Thomasville. And that's the best looking segment of this line of thunderstorms at this hour. And if we were to get some straight line damaging winds of 50, 60, or 70 miles per hour, I would just think it would be along that bowing segment of the southwest flank of that line of thunderstorms. So that's kind of what we're looking at this morning. Again, if you're going to be going out to church, if you're going to be on the roads traveling this morning, watch out for ponding on the roadways. A tremendous amount of rain out there, so that is making driving kind of treacherous this morning. Give yourself a little extra time and slow down, drive with care, be very, very careful because there will be a lot of ponding out there on the roadways this morning. Again, we're going to continue to watch this for you. We'll come back and bring more weather information to you if things were to change. But to recap once again, brand new graphic just released from the National Weather Service out of Birmingham, now showing any severe weather threat today will be basically along and south of the I-85 corridor into South Alabama. This means that across most of our coverage area in East Alabama and West Georgia, now we do not anticipate severe weather or organized severe weather. Certainly, you could have a rogue strong thunderstorm or two, but we're not looking at tornadoes or organized damaging straight line winds across places like Ashland, Lineville, Roanoke, Franklin, LaGrange, Lafayette, Alexander City, Auburn, all of those areas now just in for a kind of a wet and thundery Sunday morning across East Alabama and West Georgia. Of course, if things were to change, we'll come right back and bring it to you here on Dr. Don's Weather. Y'all enjoy your Sunday.